Okay, so we just have this knife Balisong, and like if you listen to it, it just sounds so great. So like if you don't get an RPG user, okay, somebody else who uses PC. Hopefully not RPG. PC, RPG, please no. There we go. Now, I'm gonna bait. Bro, where is he? Bro, what am I doing? Okay. We don't talk about it, dude. We do not talk about it. Bro. I just really forget how to jump. I think I just entirely forgot. I do not know what I'm doing, bro. Started. Yes, dude. Yes. Oh yes. Got him. Voting crossroads. And no auto aim. With sniper. Thanks. Oh my god, I keep getting the PC players, bro. Keep getting the jackpot. Never mind, bro. Oh my god. I was like, didn't I hit him like 5 times? Don't really want to snipe. He just swapped to controller. It's great to know that he has auto aim now. And he's using flare gun. Not even supposed to climb up when he has auto aim. I guess I'll just do that. Dude, there's no way he switched to controller, man. Oh! Yeah, okay. I'll take. About it. Too annoyed. I think I'm done, bro.
Vacation plans?
Yo, you wanna hide install all game?
No swear.
Bro, he's trying to auto aim with sniper. Oh no. Yeah, I'm cooked, dude. He's right there, bro. His movement is too good, dude, I'm telling you. Bro, what did... No, he's gonna rush. I saw his... Oh my! Stop trying to trick shot me. Where's he going? What, dude? Just, I'm telling you, dude. Let me cook. Just now. It's gonna borrow my jump pad. Yes. Wait a minute, what? Yes, okay. GG.